Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our unit number 2nd of our English subject. So, the name of our topic is chameleons. Second unit 2.1. First topic is chameleons. From today we are going to start our unit number 2nd and first topic is chameleons. So, this is one poetry. This poetry is written by Colin West. So, before explaining the poem, let us understand what are chameleons. Chameleons are reptiles. What is the meaning of reptiles? Chameleons come under the family of amnivorous animals. Now, what is meant by amnivorous? That is eating all types of insects. Chameleons eat all type of insects seen in the nature or in the surrounding. Chameleons have long tails which can regrow itself just like any other lizards. So, chameleons, type of creature that changes its skin color to match its surrounding so that it cannot be seen. So, see the chameleon. Okay, now see some examples of reptiles. These are all examples of reptiles. For example, snake, alligator, lizard, crocodile, turtle, chameleon. These all are examples of reptiles. Okay. So students, I hope the concept of chameleons is clear to you. Let's begin the poetry. Chameleons. Chameleons are seldom seen. They are red. They are orange. Then they are green. Now, what the poet Colin West says, chameleons are seldom seen. The poet says the chameleons are seldom seen. Seldom seen means very hard to see or rarely seen. Lizards are seen in every corner of our house, but chameleons are not seen. If we want to see chameleons, we have to look into our surroundings, in our nature. So the poet said, chameleons are very hard to see. The chameleons are very hard to see. The poet said the chameleons are very hard to see. They are red, they are orange, and then they are green. See in the picture above, there you can see red chameleon, orange chameleon, and green chameleon. Do you know why they change their color? They change their color because they are protecting themselves or they are hiding themselves from the predators, means who attack other animals for food. So they are red, they are orange, and then they are green. Now see the next line. Now next lines are, they are one of nature's strangest sights. Their colors change like traffic lights. Strangest sights means unusual sight, a sight which is not seen oftenly. It is very rarely to see. Chameleons is one of its kind. So the poet says its color changes like traffic lights. How many lights are there in the traffic? Look into the picture. Red, yellow, and green. So the poet says chameleons changes its color like traffic lights. They are changing their color for protecting themselves. So chameleons keeps on changing its color. I hope this paragraph clear to you. Let's read this poem once again. Chameleons Chameleons are seldom seen. They are red, they are orange, then they are green. They are one of nature's strangest sights. Their colors change like traffic lights. Colin West. So, see once again, the poet Colin West writes about chameleons and their changing colors. He says that chameleons are not seen very often. They are sometimes red, sometimes orange, and sometimes green. They are one of the most unusual things that one can see in nature. He ends by saying that their colors change like the traffic lights. So students, I hope you understood this better. So, see how chameleons changing their color. See the below. How chameleons changing their colors. See carefully. Now see. Red, green. Okay. Today's your homework is draw and color the given picture. You have to draw this picture in your notebook and then color this. This is your homework. And see some exercise from this topic, some questions. First, I want to explain you some words and their meanings. So, first word is chameleons. First word is chameleon, a kind of lizard whose skin changes color to match the color of its surrounding. Means रंग बदलू शकणारा सरडा. रंग बदलू सरडा. Now, second word is seldom. Seldom means rarely, not often, क्वचितच, कधीतरी. Third word is strangest, most unusual, extraordinary, सर्वात असामान्य. And the last one is sights, something interesting that one sees. सुंदर दृश्य. सुंदर दृश्य. Now students, you have to write these all words and learn these with meaning. Now we are going to see our first question, our first exercise. So, say the rhyming words after me. Say the below rhyming words after me. So, first word is seen, green. S-E-E-N, seen. G-R-E-E-N, green. Seen, green. Next one is sights, lights. S-I-G-H-T-S, sights. L-I-G-H-T-S, lights. Sights, lights. Now, next question. Write any two words of your own ending in EST. You have to write only two words ending in EST. So, my first word is longest. See, this word ends with the letters EST. So, you have to write two words ending in EST. So, first word is longest. Second word strongest. Both the words end with this letter EST. So, got it all of you? Okay, now next question. So, using the letters of each of the following words, make 4 shorter words. So, now first word is, what is our question, students? From this word, the first word is nature. From this word, you have to make 4 shorter words. From this word, you have to make 4 shorter words from this word. So, first word is neat, N-E-A-T. See, in nature, these letters are there, N is there, E, A and T also is there. So we are going to make the word N-E-A-T, neat. Next word T-R-U-E, true. Third word T-E-A-R, tear. And the last one T-U-R-E-N, tur. From the nature, from this word, we made 4 words. We made 4 shorter words. Now next word is strangest. From these words again we are going to make 4 shorter words. Okay, so first word is strange. S-T-R-A-N-G-E, strange. Next one is age. A-G-E-H. Third one is array and ran, and last one is treat. T-R-E-A-T, treat. So dear students, first write all these words with their meanings. After that, write your poem and then complete all these questions in your CW notebook, and in your HW notebook you have to draw the picture of chameleons and then you have to color it. So got it all of you? Okay, thank you.